Having trouble logging into your AT&T account? You're not alone. Many users experience issues with the website AE.com, the AT&T app on iOS or Android, and even services like AT&T Prepaid. Let's quickly address the most common causes and solutions. First, double-check your credentials. Ensure you're using the correct username, usually your email or phone number, and password. Remember that AT&T requires password changes every 90 days. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it via email or SMS. Next, try simple fixes like restarting the app. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to resolve platform incompatibilities. Temporarily disable any VPNs that might interfere with login. For website issues on AT&T.com, ensure your browser is compatible. AT&T login issues are often caused by outdated apps, VPN interference, platform incompatibilities, and network problems. By following these steps, you'll resolve most common login roadblocks. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, let's dive into more advanced solutions. Ensure your browser and AT&T app are up to date. Compatibility issues are a frequent culprit. Be mindful of account security measures. A widespread outage occurred in August 2025 due to a cybersecurity update. If you experience persistent issues, contact AT&T's Help Center for 24/7 chat support and never use third-party tools. If issues persist, contact AT&T support for further assistance.